In this question, you have to identify the experiment that paved the final proof for DNA as the genetic material. Option A, Hershey and Chase. The final proof that DNA is the genetic material came from the Hershey-Chase experiment in 1952. They used bacteriophages, that is, viruses that infect bacteria, and labeled it with radioactive isotopes of phosphorus and sulfur, P32 for DNA and S35 for protein, to demonstrate that it was the DNA of the virus and not the protein that was injected into the bacterial cell and carried the genetic information. So, this experiment provided a strong evidence that DNA is the genetic material. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy. Now, in 1944, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy showed that DNA was the transforming principle in bacteria. That is, it carried the genetic information. But their work was not the final proof, though it was a significant contribution. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, Hargobind Khorana. It is incorrect because he is known for his work in understanding or regarding the genetic code and its translation into proteins. Option D, Griffith. Now, Frederick Griffith performed an experiment in 1928 that suggested the existence of a transforming principle in bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae, but he did not identify what was the transforming principle. Hence, it is incorrect.